Hello and welcome to Model Minutes and the third episode of Subscriber Showcase. First up, we've got a de Havilland Mosquito FB Mark 6 by Donnacha, and he's done a really good job of using all the decals in this kit. Up next is an M7 Priest in 1/72nd scale from Matchbox, and this is by Simon March. He's used Revel aqua colours and the weathering pigments to get a really good finish on this armoured vehicle. And our final submission this episode is a 1/48 scale Typhoon from the Hesegawa kit by Fine Kits. This has got a really good paint finish on it. You can see in all the fine detail he's managed to get picked out, and also the really neat lines between the different colours of the camouflage. Particularly my favourite is the underbelly with the clearly defined white and black lines of the D-Day markings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, be sure to comment, like and subscribe, and don't forget that you can connect with the people who submitted by the links underneath this video. If you would like to submit a model, make sure you subscribe, email modelminutes@hotmail.com, and wait for it in an upcoming video. See you all again next time.